What's up, guys? This is Mobile Studios. I'm Slade. Oh my goodness, Ryan, why are you eating potato chips in the shower?
Do you mind if I don't for that?
We're doing a tour of my house. My house is $1,042,819. So I'm gonna be doing a tour of the house. Let's
Not here because, well,
so just be with it.
wait.
Have you guys seen like when we were starting this house? So, ta-da!
Well, we got rid of the cafe.
Yeah, to build this. Yeah, because we had a lot of cars. So I let's go right here.
Oh, start at the back.
Yeah, so we have the back over here. Soccer field, like a little camping area, and the pool. And we have two jacuzzis right here, and a fire pit.
Can't get out of the pool.
How about you climb up the ladder? 2 diving boards and a slide. And a little garden area, and then we have like a little guest house. So yeah.
Oh, it's so weird.
I don't really do coloring on the garage or wedding, but and
This backup house is kind of old.
yeah.
So as you can see, the latest updates like on
So let's get so let's get started on the house. Just deal with that, okay? Just deal with it. So first we have the garage. I have a power box. So it's better when I do it up here.
what?
Hold on. Kind of funny sometimes. Fire extinguisher.
Oh, hi there. Would you like some potato chips?
No. Kitchen goes up. This goes right here. Goes up 2 stories.
That's potato chips.
Little kid. It's a kid room. I'm not going to do this in 2 parts. So, for boy and girl bathroom, 3 boys room for 3 boys, closet,
You want some potato chips?
no, fortress game, dining room, elevator, this took a long time to get that, my office, onto the 2nd floor, orphanage room. Nathan actually, like, as soon as he saw this room, We call it the orphanage room. And this is Nathan's room. I don't know why the mirrors are like fully black. Pitching in black. Bathroom right here. Yeah, Mylan's room.
Very decked out.
So yeah, there's computer. Now over here, just a little room. Not really a reason for it. Gym.
Wait. Oh, sorry, wait, I was trying
No. We haven't met this person yet. So I'm not gonna say their name. Okay. So pretty big. Living room. Second floor living room. Porch. So third floor living room. I have 3 living rooms, too. Disco area. So yeah, that's like like a gaming room, conference table. I don't know why. I like putting conference tables in there. Like gaming rooms. I like the last one better. This is like my area.
Wait, did you show them the disco room?
Yeah. It's not a room, it's outside. And like this is like it could just damn, I forgot a chair there. Yeah. Hello. And remember White? Yeah, this is his room.
Come up to the disco floor.
The bathroom. How did I see the moon right there? Okay. So yeah, this is his area.
Come up here. Come up to the disco floor again.
My room. Closet. There we go. Another gaming table. Yeah, I have like 3 offices deal with it. But, oh my goodness.
Find me.
And shower. We started this at the beginning. Comment down below if you like this idea of the shower being like this. And like sink. And why need a bathtub when you can just use a jacuzzi? So that's it. Yeah. Oh, let's have a tour of Ryan's house.
Hey, I got rid of my house to build you this one.
Hold on, let's find it. I think it's on the other side of the map. Yeah.
I think I'll just take the paper bite. And you guys, I don't have a house because I built Slate in this one.
So I built most of it. You didn't build it. You gave me money.
Yeah, Slade literally got on my account and built a house.
Yeah. So, and then he's like, "You need to finish your house first." So I'm like, okay. This is his house. Comment down below if you like it.
Oh, be quiet.
And comment down below if you like my house. So,
We just got the house done today.
yeah. Like we got it done. Well, it needs one more thing. And then it's completely done. Like, one more thing. Do you guys know what that is? Alright. Alright.
We should do a live stream.
If we ever figure out how to do it. From this room, So, can you figure it out? Yep, it's a chair. Wait, what is it? Beautiful.
Did you add the chair in the computer room?
Oh,
The glitch happened again.
okay. Let's do that. What glitch?
One more, can you get inside?
Oh. Well, I'm in build mode, that's why.
No, like I could get through the door.
We are officially done with the house.
Wait, are we?
What is it?
Okay, yeah, we're officially done.
Yay! Comment down below what room you like the most. I'd say mine is my room.
Did you give a tour of your room?
Yep.
Try to scale up the building right now.
Oh yeah, some ducks in the pool too. You can. You say Batman and then Spider-Man.
No, I just said Spider-Man.
And then you said like Batman and then Spider-Man, or Spider-Man then Batman. Okay. So that's the end of this video, guys. I hope you liked it. Again, comment down below if you like Brian's house. Comment down below if you like my house. And we'll see you in the next one, guys. Bye!